All right, guys, so I am back in the downstairs garage now, and it is time to move on to the next thing. Well, actually, like these things are like 95% done, but I am going to be bringing the boat down here because it is supposed to be snowing. Well, it's supposed to start, well, late tonight into tomorrow morning, and also the day after. So I'm gonna get the boat down here before it gets all snowed on and stuff, because I want to start working on that next and get that all finished up, because I just got a few things left. Like, I got lug nuts for the trailer that I never got put on. I gotta do the wheel bearings. I gotta paint the registration, get that put on, and then get the boat motors running. And I think that's everything. So not too much, and just want to get it down here. See if there's something wrong with the boat motors, and then get the wheel bearings ordered. So I'm gonna make room and take the scrambler and go get it. All right, guys, so I'm off to go and get the boat. Alright, guys, so there it is. Got the boat on in the garage, and didn't hit the motors. That's a bonus. Definitely has some snow, and looks like it has some gravel on it. That must have been from my dad clearing snow. So time to let it defrost and get the cover off and get to it. Alright, guys, so here is the boat. I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen it, but yeah, it got a little dirty right there, and I got the cover most of the way off. It's just there was snow on it, and that all turned to ice, and it's still frozen to the seat right now. But man, that cover really marked up the white. So I gotta try and clean that, and then just wait for it all to melt on the inside and clean that, because some dirt got through the tarp. But I am pretty impressed. I don't see any holes in the tarp or the cover or anything like that. And then, as you can see, the transom got a little marked up. But we'll see. Maybe just before I sell it, I might just repaint the top in white. Actually, I'd do the seats too. Might just repaint all the white really quick and clean it up. Unless it'll just wipe right off. But it might be a little worn from the wind rubbing the tarp against it, would be my guess. But that's the only spot. The blue still looks really nice. And yeah, it's good to see it again. It looks like the lights are still stuck on, so that's pretty cool. It's just a matter if they work. But if the little controller thingy on the back, the little controller box, which is up there, so it should have stayed dried. But if not, I got another one right there, because it was 2 strips of lights, so I got another set. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer until I can take this off, and then I'll well, I guess just let it sit and thaw out and melt off. So I can paint the registration for it, and then I can take the wheels off. I'm gonna push it a little bit more to the side so it's not, blocking that side off. But then I can jack it up, because I don't gotta do anything to the inside, so I can just jack it up and then paint the registration and then, work on the wheel bearings. So that's no big deal. And yeah, it's good to see it again. I missed the look of it. Alright guys, so on the boat I am going to be jacking up the back. Actually, I'll probably have to do it one side at a time, and then put a jack stand underneath the axle, and then I will be taking a look at the wheel bearings and seeing what size they are. And I do have one size over there in the bag, but I just gotta see what size they are and either order some or use the ones I got. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick on how bad these wheel bearings are. So let me just spin the wheel for you guys. Yeah, so that's just this wheel spinning, as you guys could see. That is really bad. You can just hear the grumble to it. And let me just walk around this thing. This is probably the worst part about having it in the garage. This garage in particular. Well, and the boat motors behind it, it wouldn't be so bad. But let's check this side. Okay, this one is definitely even worse. Oh yeah, look at the play. You guys can see this whole hub moving. That actually brings me back to when we bought this boat last year. Let's see, it was probably about 9 months ago, 8 months ago, right around there. This side started to smoke when we were about halfway home. So yeah, we knew it needed wheel bearings, and I never brought it anywhere besides in the yard. So now, and I never wanted to take it apart, because I was always sandblasting the trailer, painting the trailer, moving the boat around to get painted and all that. Never really had time to have the trailer down to take the wheels off, get the size, because I probably won't have the right size. And it's probably gonna be down for a week or so. And yeah, I just gotta figure out what size they are. So I'm gonna get the wheels off and take a look at them. Alright guys, so I got the wheel off right here, and I can just show you guys again here really quick. yeah, they're wasted. So, now I can measure it, a little easier. I could also undo that nut and take the hub off. I don't know what that spring's all about. But, yeah, so usually you want to use like, I think they're called a micrometer or something, but I don't have one of those down here. All I got is a tape measure. So I'm gonna measure the inside, and then that should be the size I need. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I got the cotter pin out. Now I'm just trying to get the nut loosened here. There's a bunch of sand in there. There it goes. There we go. And this should just slide off. As it's stuck. These trailers are different. I don't know, I've never worked on a trailer before, but I'm gonna see if I can't tap this thing off.